Now we'll learn about inserting tables. So by selecting any cells of the worksheet, we can insert a table. So from menu bar, we can go from here to insert and then insert table. So after clicking here, this dialog box will come, and then just click OK. Then within a very fractions of second, you can see that a very nice table has appeared. So you can change the design of this table by clicking here. So you can see many designs here: light, medium, dark, whatever you want. So I'm choosing here the medium table. So you see that it has been changed. So from here we can see that there are many filtering options here in each column. So you can filter or clear filter from each column very easily. So it is very nice to choose different designs of tables, you know. So in Excel, there are many options, many interesting ways to present your data, to enjoy your work, to present your work in such a way that looks very professional. So that's all for this lecture.